Hello my loves, I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So as you can tell, I'm not in my usual setup. I'm still home in Sydney, Australia, so excuse the bad lighting, the orangeness, the weird angle. I don't know what to do, but I really wanted to film for you guys, and I really wanted to open these PR packages and these parcels that were sent to me, and I want to do it on camera, but this time it is from Australian brands and like Australian companies that have sent me these. So I'm so excited to share with you. A few of the items I could not wait, and I literally had to chuck them on me. I was that excited to wear them, which I'm going to show you guys as well. Let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos and more content from me, especially my Australian vlogs, so stay tuned for that. And follow me on Instagram at Lilian Tahmasian so I can stalk you guys. And thank you so much for all the recent love and support on my Instagram page as well. I love you guys so much, you have no idea. And I'm not trying to show off what I got. I just like love sharing anything that happens to me with you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. I'm very grateful to be doing what I've been doing, and I just realized it's my 10-year YouTube anniversary. How crazy is that? I would never think that I would still be doing this 10 years later. It started off as a hobby, and I feel so grateful and blessed to be doing what I do full time. So thanks to you beauties, I appreciate and love you guys so much. Let's get into the video. First things first. So first things first, I got a parcel from Guess. And it's so weird, it's such a full circle moment. You guys, I used to work at Guess. It was only for a few weeks, but I still worked there in 2012, I want to say, or was it 2011, 2012? And now I work with them as an influencer, which is insane, right? But they sent over a whole bunch of goodies, which I'm going to show you guys. First things first that they sent over is this beautiful top. It's a beautiful blush tone top, and I absolutely love it. It comes off the shoulder, and it's really good to like chuck on for, I don't know whether it's autumn or if it's like a cold, even for a cold summer's night. I think it's really nice because it's really lightweight and it's really soft. So this is from Guess as well. And then they sent over these really cute pants, like these really nice jeans. They're called the Beverly Skinny Ultra Low jeans. Ooh, I didn't even realize they were low, but they look a bit something like this. I think it's so cute. It has really nice detail, like rhinestones. To be honest, I haven't seen jeans like this in a long time, or to be honest like this probably forever, because I just think they're so unique. So they have pearls, they have rhinestones, and then the back of it looks like this. But yeah, no, I really like it. It's a bit distressed, not as distressed as like my other jeans, but it's really nice, and it has like a slim cut, and I cannot wait to give this a go. So you guys will be seeing that styled on my Instagram really soon. The other thing they sent over is this gorgeous blazer. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, so chic. If you know me, you know I love my blazers, and this is definitely something. Oh, it smells so good as well. Okay, so thank you so much to Guess and the maids. So I'll be showcasing that. Other Guess package is, I feel so, like, I'm just so grateful, by the way, as you all know. But other pair are like these beautiful white jeans, and these are called the Sexy Curve Vintage jeans. So it has rhinestones going all the way down. I don't know if you guys can see, all the way down it has beautiful rhinestones. It is definitely a very unique look. I've never honestly seen jeans like this before, but I'm just excited to wear them. And these are high-waisted, I believe, because they just look a bit high-waisted. The back has this little thing going on, a few rhinestones on the pockets. But yeah, so I'm excited about that. Thank you so much to Guess. Once again, I'm so excited to be working with them. You have no idea. And this little beauty I'm excited about. This is from the Marciano Guess collection. So Marciano is like another brand from Guess, and they have a bit more like couture high-end wear. And it looks like this is a one-shoulder bodycon dress. You guys know I love my one shoulders, you know I love my bodycon dresses, you know I love red, judging from my Instagram. So I'm so excited to wear this. Thank you so much. So we have goodies from Henrickson, I think that's how you say. A few weeks ago now, I went to an event in Sydney, and it was such a nice brunch. Honestly, I had such a good time. Everyone was so lovely. Got to see my friends that I haven't seen for years, so that was really nice. First thing we got is a visor. So yep, okay. I worked with them nearly 1 year ago now, and I used their Banana Bright under eye cream, but they came up with a face primer, and it's so soft. You guys, we tried it at the event, and it's just absolutely so bloody soft. So I definitely recommend, if you're interested in getting a new primer, try this one out. And also we have, this is the one I tried, the Banana Bright Eye Cream. This is for nearly a year now when it first came out, and it is such a good cream to have. It wakes you up, there's a lot of vitamin C in it, and it just hydrates, and it's just like so beneficial for your face. So I definitely recommend that. So thank you so much to Lilian for that. I love how I said I was going to do the fashion first, but I'm doing the makeup. Excuse me. Things first, I got Slip Crunchies. Now Slip is a brand that does pillowcases. It is absolutely 100% silk, so it's really good for your face. People that have had acne have used silk pillowcases and they find a big difference in their face and breakouts and things like that. And it also doesn't allow your hair to frizz. Now the same company has come out with scrunchies and it looks so cute, you guys. Full on silk. It comes in 3, so they sent over this, so thank you so much to Slip for this. And yeah, I'm so excited to rock these. There's 3, so I feel like my mum and Sarah are going to steal one, but kind of not going to let them. Okay. Oh, we got some Saint-Tropez Self Tan in the classic range. This is what I'm wearing currently from what's left of my tan. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to pick and choose my favorites because if I go through all the products, I'm going to be here until tomorrow. So if you know me, you know I am obsessed with my jojoba cream and oils. That's all I wear every morning, every night. It's the only product I bought with me from America to come here because I'm like, I drink that stuff. You know this so well because I always talk about it. So you guys, I've got my new goodies. Brand new bottle of the jojoba oil that I used. I'm going to drink this up like there's no tomorrow. And I got the Gentle Cleansing Balm. I'm obsessed with this brand. If you are breaking out, if you are, you know, struggling, if your skin has issues, I 100% highly recommend you try jojoba. That's why I feel like my skin's doing amazing, because everyone's like, oh, you know, what are you doing to your skin? I'm like, oils. Like, it's all 100% natural Australian organic oils. That was a mouthful. Other goodies I got is from Paula's Choice. Now, this is an American brand, I believe, but they sent over the Hydrating Gel Cream Cleanser, the Nightly Recommended Moisturizer, and the Essential Glow Moisturizer in SPF 15, which is really good. Now, I haven't tried their new range, but I've been trying their old range for a while now. It's in America once again. So, yeah, if you're in, like, I think I was going to say Wells Fargo, if you're in Walgreens or CVS, I'm pretty sure they sell that there. And yeah, it's a good brand to have. A lot of people ask me, you know, what American brands do you recommend? And Paula's Choice is probably one of my go-tos for American brands. So I got goodies from Charlotte Tilbury. So Magic Away Liquid Concealer. Let's see. I feel like I haven't properly played with makeup for a while, you guys. So, ooh, okay, so it has like a fluffy point like this. Okay. So that's nice. It's a nice easy application. And then we have a lippy. This is in Penelope Pink, and it looks like this. Ooh. Oh my god, reminds me of the lipsticks mum would wear. I have massive goodies from Revlon and a whole bunch of other companies, so let's see. Oh, this is really heavy. We have this beautiful more Bohemian, I can't speak, Grand Deluxe Soy Candle. Let's see. Oh my god, I opened it and like I got like a gush of beautiful scent. Oh my god, so it's like a 3-wick candle. Look how massive this is. This is like proper big. Oh, love things like this. Like perfect for like your coffee table. Ooh, they also sent over a hand wash and a body wash. That's nice. It's like a good 2-in-1 deal kind of thing going on. I got a whole bunch of Revlon lippies. Look at the massive range of lippies that was sent over. I'm so excited to try. I think I'm going to go ahead and try this one on camera. I want to swatch this. How beautiful these colors are. Oh, absolutely stunning. Oh, they're very matte. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you can see, it's a really nice shade, and it's really soft as well, very creamy. We have an 8-hour cream intensive moisturizing body treatment from Elizabeth Arden. I haven't even seen this product, so let's see. Oh, that's like a proper big bottle. Okay. Oh, it smells like the forest. It has this smell. I wish I can. It has this really nice like spa smell. Can you guys smell it? This is another thing I want to show you guys. Revlon came out with a highlight and a blush in one. And the packaging, you guys, let me show you. So it looks like this, and yeah, I was like, how does this work? And the lady showed me, like, look. So it's literally made for you to go like this. Should I wear it now? Oh, it's very, okay. So can you guys see those two lines now? Let's see if we can blend it out. I don't know if I did it right. A bit more pinker, but it's very, very creamy, and I feel like it's really light. What do you guys think? Thank you, Revlon. Oh, we have some John Frieda goodies. So John Frieda invited me to shoot with them. So they sent over their purple range, which I've used. The shampoo is actually in my shower right now. So I've actually used that. Thank you so much. It's Frizz Ease. How funny. My mum would always buy this from Maya, I believe, when I was really young. And I was like, Mum, why are you spending so much money on that? And this was the only company that would tame my hair. And I get to work with it now. So that's crazy. It's like a full 360, you know, story once again. They came up with a Go Blonder Lemon Miracle Mask. This is like what you can use in between your color appointments or to go back to the hairdresser. This is what you use. So thank you so much to John Frieda for that. I actually did a shoot with them, so I'm going to insert the photo that I shot with them right here. Second last, we have some Steve Madden goodies. So this is what it looks like. Let's see what's inside. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I already styled these shoes. If not, I'll insert the photo right here. But those shoes, these ones, you guys, they are so comfortable. Now, because it was sent to me, I was like, I don't know if it's my style, but then when I put them on, I was like, oh, okay, I can see me wearing these. They're really, really comfortable, really nice, and it's just like casual with a bit of, you know what I mean, jazzing it up with the heel. Someone was asking me on Instagram what these are called. These are called the Castro Black Leet shoes from Steve Madden. So it looks like this. Thank you so much for these shoes once again. These ones I haven't worn yet, but they are more casual, so they're flats. They're really, really flat, as you can tell, so they'll be, you know, comfortable. And yeah, it's like this beautiful metallic gold color, like gladiator shoes. I remember when these were in fashion back in the day. They're back now, and these are called Upon Rose Gold. So thank you so much for these. So I can't wait to style those ones as well. And then lastly, you guys, I got some Sasuke gear, and I just could not wait to put it on, so I could chuck it on. Okay, so these are the pants from Sasuke. I got, what is this called? I think the blush range. So they have these colors as well, but I got these ones. And yeah, just so perfect for the gym if you're looking to do a good workout and have these safe and secure. I definitely recommend the Sasuke collection. Oh, I have to show you guys another thing as well. So these are filler shoes. I actually bought these myself. This is what it looks like. You guys, how cute. Like, it has pink in it and it's white and it says filler all on the sides, if you guys can see. Oh, dead. But that's what it looks like. You guys, I am so tired from talking. Like, that was my PR haul. Thank you so much to everyone that watched and lasted this long if you did. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Lilian Tahmasian, and leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know which product was your favorite. Let me know how life's going. Just keep me posted. I want to hear from you guys. I'm still here. I'm still home, taking care of mum, as you guys know, as I mentioned in my last video. So it's been a bit of a whirlwind. I love you guys so much. Until next time. Keep smiling. Bye.